In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove or delete voiceovers on your videos using InShot. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking it and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and let's get into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go to your track here and then tap on audio, and then this will go ahead and list your track and then the audio track or the voiceover above it. Now I have here a voiceover and I like to remove it. To remove it, just go ahead and tap on it, and once you have tapped on it, you'll see we have options here, and among them we have delete. Go ahead and tap on delete and then confirm your choice, and that is it. You'll have deleted your voiceover on your videos using InShot. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.